You already know what it feels like. You look in the mirror and nothing has changed. You've been going to the gym, you're eating more, you're doing everything you think you're supposed to do, and your body still looks exactly the same as it did a year ago. Clothes hang off you the same way, people still refer to you as the skinny one, and the worst part is that you're putting in real effort and getting almost nothing back for it. That's not a genetics problem, that's a program problem, and we're about to fix it right now. The reason skinny guys stay skinny isn't lack of effort, it's that most training programs are built for guys who already have muscle. They split your body into parts, chest day, back day, leg day, and they space everything out so far that by the time you hit a muscle again, the growth signal has already faded. Your body never gets the consistent signal it needs to actually change. What you need is full body training that tells every single muscle to grow over and over on a tight enough schedule that your body can't ignore it anymore. That's what these exercises do. If you stay consistent for the next few weeks, you should start seeing visible changes in your frame and strength. Let's get into it. The first exercise is the dumbbell Romanian deadlift. If you're skinny and you want to build real, visible muscle as fast as possible, you have to train your posterior chain. That means your hamstrings, your glutes, and your entire back working together as one unit. The Romanian deadlift does this better than almost anything else, and the dumbbell version specifically forces your grip, your core, and your stabilizers to work the whole time. To do it correctly, stand with your feet about hip-width apart and hold a dumbbell in each hand at your sides. Keep a soft bend in your knees, not a deep one, just enough to unlock the joint. From there, push your hips backward like there's a wall behind you that you're trying to touch with your glutes. As your hips go back, the dumbbells travel down your legs. Keep them close to your shins the entire time. Your back stays flat, your chest stays up. You lower until you feel a strong pull in your hamstrings, then you drive your heels into the ground, push your hips forward, and stand tall. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top, every single rep. Don't rush through the bottom. 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Next is the dumbbell goblet squat. Skinny legs are one of the most common things that give away an underdeveloped physique, and the goblet squat is the fastest way to fix that. Holding the dumbbell vertically at your chest with both hands gripping the top end, feet just outside shoulder width, toes pointed slightly out. Keep that dumbbell tight to your chest the whole time. Push your hips back and drive your knees out as you lower yourself down. Sink as deep as your body allows while keeping your chest up and your weight through your whole foot. Pause briefly at the bottom, then drive through your heels to stand back up and squeeze your glutes at the top. 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Now we're going to build your back, because nothing transforms a skinny physique faster than pull-ups and the single-arm dumbbell row. Pull-ups first, even if you can't do one yet. The muscle that changes your physique most dramatically is the lat, that broad wing-shaped muscle along the sides of your back. When it's developed, it makes your upper body look wide and your waist look smaller. Pull-ups are the single best exercise for it. Grab the bar with your palms facing away, hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Start from a full hang. Before you pull, lock your shoulders by pulling them slightly away from your ears. Then drive your elbows down and back. Pull with your back, not your arms. Keep pulling until your chin clears the bar. Then lower yourself slowly, taking 2 to 3 full seconds to come down. That slow lowering phase builds just as much muscle as the pull itself. If you can't do a full rep yet, jump to the top position and lower yourself down as slowly as you can. Do that for every set and you will build the strength. The truth is, most skinny guys aren't lazy, they're just following the wrong plan. The right movements, done consistently, change everything, so stay with this. The single-arm dumbbell row attacks the same back muscles from a different angle, adding thickness where pull-ups build width. It also forces each side of your back to work independently, which corrects any imbalances you've built up without realizing it. One hand and one knee on a flat surface for support. Keep your back flat and parallel to the floor. Let the dumbbell hang straight down from your shoulder. pull it toward your hip by driving your elbow backward, keeping your elbow close to your body as it comes up. At the top, squeeze your shoulder blade in toward your spine and hold for a second before lowering the weight back down under full control. Your torso stays still the entire time. If your body is rotating to help lift the weight is too heavy. 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps per arm. Now your shoulders. Developed shoulders are what create the visual impression that your waist is smaller. They're the top of the V shape, and without them, even a muscular body can look narrow.
Start with dumbbell lateral raises. This targets the side of your shoulder, the part that makes you look wide from the front. It's the most underbuilt part of most skinny guys' shoulders, and it doesn't get trained by pressing alone. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, a dumbbell in each hand at your sides. Keep a slight bend in your elbows, about 10 to 15 degrees, and lock that angle in. Raise your arms out to the side until they reach shoulder level, not above. As you raise, tilt your hands slightly like you're pouring water from a jug. Lower slowly and with control. Don't swing your torso. Don't use your hips. If you're using momentum, the weight is too heavy. 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Then you move into the dumbbell Arnold press. This move builds rounder, wider shoulders because it hits every part of the delt in one motion. Most guys just press straight overhead and wonder why their shoulders look flat from certain angles. This fixes that. Sit on a bench with back support and hold a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder height. Start with your palms facing toward you and your elbows pointed forward, like the top of a curl. As you press upward, rotate your palms so that by the time your arms are extended, your palms face forward. Then reverse the motion as you lower, rotating your palms back toward you on the way down. The rotation should feel smooth and controlled. Don't rush it. 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. The last exercise is the dumbbell thruster, and this one ties everything together. It combines a squat and an overhead press into one explosive movement, which means your legs, core, and upper body all work at the same time. It also pushes your work capacity and helps you train harder overall. Hold the dumbbells at shoulder height with your elbows pointed slightly forward, feet shoulder-width apart. Lower into a full squat while keeping the dumbbells right at your shoulders. Then, as you drive out of the squat, use the power from your legs to press the dumbbells overhead in one fluid motion. The leg drive does the heavy lifting, the arms finish the press. Lock out overhead, then lower the dumbbells back to your shoulders as you immediately sink into the next squat. 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Here's your complete program. Perform this 3 times per week with a full day of rest in between sessions. Romanian deadlift, 4 sets of 8 to 12. Goblet squat, 4 sets of 10 to 15. Pull-ups, 4 sets to near failure. Single-arm dumbbell row, 4 sets of 10 to 12 per arm. Lateral raises, 4 sets of 12 to 15. Arnold press, 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12. Dumbbell thruster, 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15. Rest 90 seconds between sets for the heavier movements, 60 to 90 seconds for the lighter ones. The reason this program works for skinny guys specifically is frequency. You're training every major muscle group 3 times per week, which means the signal to grow never fades. Your body stays in a constant state of adaptation. And unlike split programs that leave entire muscle groups untouched for days at a time, this approach keeps the momentum going all week long. One thing you cannot skip is eating enough. No program in the world will build muscle on a body that isn't getting enough fuel. You need to be eating more than you think, with at least 1 gram of protein per pound of your body weight every single day. Add quality carbs around your training sessions. A slight calorie surplus is not optional. It is the foundation everything else is built on. Track your weights every session. Add weight when you can complete all reps with clean form. If you can't add weight, add 1 rep per set. That's progressive overload. That's how skinny guys become muscular guys. That's how it has always worked, and that's how it will always work. Stay consistent with this. Eat enough to support it, and you'll start feeling the difference before you even see it in the mirror.
If this was exactly what you needed, drop a comment that says, "I want more," and we'll keep building from here. And if you're not subscribed yet, do it now because we put out content like this every week.